Hello mga kababayan, isang makakalikasang araw. This is Eliana Marie Aduana, your Miss Earth Philippines 2023. At unang-una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagboto niyo po sa akin, sa ating mga social media platforms, sa botohan natin sa Miss Earth 2023 competition. Maraming salamat po. Grabe yung pagtaas ng likes at share at pagko-comment niyo po. Na-appreciate ko po yun lahat. Maraming salamat po. At sana po patuloy po natin na iboto nyo po ako. Patuloy po sana yung pag-share, like, and comment natin para mas madami yung engagement. At actually po, may dalawa tayong botohan ngayon, no? Sana hindi nakaka-confuse para sa iba. Yung unang voting po natin ay Best in Appearance. Ito po yung long gown. Ayan. So, one react is 1 point, tapos 1 public share is 3 points. We're now currently on the top 5 ng Best in Appearance. So, congratulations po, Philippines. Sana po patuloy natin na pataasin yung likes and shares para mag-number 1 tayo. At yung second voting naman po, yun yung may bayad, which is yung Miss People's Choice Award. So, sana iboto nyo rin po ako. Meron po tayong link dito. Tapos, isasend ko na lang po sa inyo lahat. I hope that we keep on voting para mag-number 1 ang Philippines sa Miss Earth 2023 competition. Again po, may dalawa po tayong voting. Una, yung Best in Appearance, long gown photo yon, yung ginawa namin ng preliminary, which is ito. And then the second one is yung Miss People's Choice Award, which is yung may bayad. So sana po, patuloy po tayong bumoto, like, comment, and also share to your friends and to your loved ones. Maraming salamat po ulit! God bless you all. See you all soon. I'll do my best here in Vietnam to represent well our country, the beloved Philippines. Thank you. Isang makakalikasang araw. Love from the Philippines. Mwah!